Imagine making money while you sleep, no effort required. Welcome to the world of website flipping, where AI helps you find and profit from undervalued websites. First, you need a niche. What topic do you want to focus on? Use AI tools like Google Trends and Keyword Planner to find profitable niches. Once you have a niche, find undervalued websites using AI-powered tools. AI can help you analyze website data, identify areas for improvement, and suggest fixes. Apply AI-driven strategies to increase website revenue, such as SEO and PPC advertising. Finally, sell the website for a profit using AI-assisted pricing and negotiation. The process of flipping websites with AI requires patience, but the potential rewards are substantial. Get started with website flipping today and take the first step towards financial freedom. Join our community to learn more about website flipping and AI-powered wealth creation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech and finance tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.